to start with a song which I just composed about five hours before. Okay, so first enjoy the song and then we'll go deeper into that. Disasters are unwanted, catastrophic happenings in creation. They may be natural eruptions or human-made or hybrid crystallization. They may be part of cycle of creation or they might occur because of mysterious emanation. They may destroy or damage cosmic inhabitation. They may help evolve and improve civilization. Literature is expression or outburst of inner realization. It may come out from within, before, during, or after any culmination. Creator may create thunders or wonders. He may innovate, initiate, solve, or resolve anything in moments. Minds and bodies can be reset by divine. Five fundamental elements can be posed and equiposed by thine. Consciousness controls time, space, and persons. Supreme consciousness evolves cosmos through events and occurrences. All entities and elements have to be integrated in cosmic devotion. Madhu conscious needs to shrine and align with cosmic mind to remain fine. So, in this poem, which was just composed today, I would like to go deeper into that, and let me say that whatever happens in the nature, whatever is happening on the planet, is because it has a cause and effect. Only thing is because we don't know, so we sometimes feel it is mysterious or we don't understand. But there is nothing without any cause. So we have to understand to remove those obstacles to find the solutions. We have to find the causes and then we can understand the effect and then we can remove the effects. So I'd just like to say a little thing, like even if there is a mountain, series of mountains, and they are all in balance, they are all in equipoise. But if an ant is moving, and there may be a situation where those that balance is just very shaky, and just by movement of one ant to from one hill to another hill, there may be earthquake. So in the same way, the balance of the human, human psychic and spiritual or physical waves may be so delicate that even the pain or cry of one person may create havoc in the whole universe. So we have to go deeper in understanding what really this whole balance of cosmos is, and to cure things, to eliminate mishappenings, we will have to keep balancing the universal elements, universal living beings, so that nothing goes wrong. Now, I would like to say that so basically there are introversive and extroversive uh, expressions and the reasons because of which the things happen. And to maintain all that, there is a theory of Brahma in which basically we everything in the universe should be balanced. It should be properly uh, co-poised, and there should not be any unbalance in all in multiple dimensions of the creation. Now, about a few years back, in 1984, I was in company of one great philosopher, and he was a spiritual master, Sri Sri Prabhatranjan Saka, and he gave a theory of microvita. That is, microvita is basically, it's a mysterious emanation of cosmic factor. So, and many things can be explained by that theory, and all the whatever great things or whatever not so great things are happening, that can be understood, and that can be improved, and we can change the whole universe in a very nice way. I like to give a little bit glimpse of that, and then we move further. So so basically, this microbiota is mysterious emanation of cosmic factor, and there can be, it can be positive, it can be negative, and it can have so many dimensions. So basically, the all like literature is created through positive microbiota. Negative microbiota brings all these disasters, calamities, and many things in the world. And if we have lot of positive microbiota, then we can eliminate all those negative microbiota. So there is a need. Every person, every person on the planet, he is emanating some vibration. So we have to improve that vibration. We have to purify that vibration. We have to make it positive, so that the negativity can be reduced and minimized. Now, I like to say a few more things about it. These microbiota, they can move throughout entire universe. The movement is not restricted by temperature pressure. Like living beings, they exist, multiply, and die. They move through one or many media, or they can be move at once, and with the speed of more than the speed of light as well. They can move through sound, touch, taste, textuality, form, and smell. Subtler ones can even move through ideas. So once you have some idea, you can just transmit that idea, and you can make the whole planet. You can bring the whole planet into bliss. You can eliminate the diseases. You can wipe out corona, and all those things. So basically, we need to research on that. We need to improve that, and we need to create a lot of people who are in those situations, who can change the whole planet, or even the whole universe. So they can be directed by conceptually developed minds. Microbiota can also spread ideas throughout the planet, or even through universe. Microbiota are a starting point of life or vitality in the universe. They are carriers of life in different stars and planets, and not carbon atoms. They are not carbon atoms. They are subtler than those. They can create and destroy both minds and bodies anywhere in universe. Extensive research is required on microbiota to solve many problems of society in a nice way. One day, human beings will be able to control microbiota properly and very actively. Now, this microbiota exists as collective or individual structures. These collective structures can have both positive and negative effects on human mind. They cannot be created or emanated by human beings. We shall have to develop new ethics while enhancing positive microbiota, which will lead to multilateral salvation of human society. It will remove economic exploitation, political suppression, religious indoctrination, cultural imposition, and social subordination. Microbiota can be positive, negative, or neutral. Crudest microbiota occupy subtlest level of physical space. The next subtler microbiota occupy psychic space, and the subtlest occupy supra-psychic state and supra-psychic space. As they are creation of cosmic mind, they do not function in a spiritual level. Positive microbiota start their action at lunar plexus and can move up or down to other plexus. Negative microbiota normally cannot move across or above physicist psychic plexus and move only downwards. Positive microbiota start their action at lunar plexus. That is what we discussed. A person doing spiritual meditation cannot be attacked by negative microbiota even positive microbiota cannot reach up to multi-propensive plexus. One needs help of a great personality or supreme consciousness for that, and must do spiritual sadhana or meditation.